Welcome to another project with Appliance, Cooling and Foam Pros. This is the Meadows. We are doing air conditioning, spray foam and appliances for this project for a special triple threat package. This means that we can give up to 15% off all three projects if we're awarded all three. And we can coordinate everything to give you the best synchronization, the best quality and the best value. All right, we are at a building in the rough-in stage now. This means as the walls are going up, we're here to make sure that the sleeves, the conduits, and the penetrations are all going in the right places and coming out at the right heights so that they match whatever ceiling heights or wall heights or window heights you have and comply with code compliance. The reason we do this and take special care is that we want it to be done right the first time, and we're not using a jackhammer or a coring drill trying to deal with stuff after the fact. So an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. That's why we have things the way they are right now. And this is one of the first stages before it gets further on when the roof comes on and we start doing stuff inside. So the penetrations that you see right now are for exhaust. This is for your kitchen. It could be your hood or your range or your microwave oven that's exhausting to the outside. Also your dryer and your bathroom exhaust. Those fall under mechanical ventilation, which we provide for. And then the appliance side of things is done on the inside afterward. All right, we're inside of a half-finished unit. We've just started loading out the appliances. John and Efren, we're just bringing some inside. Soon enough, we'll be loading them into the spaces they need to be installed, and then we'll turn them on and test them, make sure that you can have a good kitchen and a good laundry. At the Pros group of companies, we truly value relationships with our clients. This means whether you're a builder, contractor, architect, engineer, homeowner, we want to make sure you're happy with what we do and you come to us whenever you have any more business in the future. This is one of the reasons that Edgewater has contracted Cooling Pros and Foam Pros to first do phase 1 of the Meadows, and now we're currently standing in phase 2, which is in progress, and another phase will be coming up shortly. When it comes to air conditioning and spray foam, you have choices. You can decide between open cell and closed cell if you're looking at spray foam for the underside of your roof, or maybe the inside of your exterior walls, or maybe even the underside of your floor. Different benefits include air sealing, heat reduction, energy efficiency, and the list goes on. When it comes to air conditioning, you have also choices too. You have choices between brands. Medea is our flagship brand and we are the authorized dealer and distributor for Cayman. But you can choose between different brands. We also work with Trane, Carrier, Mitsubishi, but we do service all brands, so it does not matter what you have, we can work on it. In this project, the customers decided to go with high efficiency 20-SEER Medea central ducted system. This is zoning compatible. We also have our foam ducts, which are an upgrade to the traditional fiberglass ducts, which is prone to issues like mold growth and air leakage, deterioration, collapsing, and structural failures when it comes to airflow. So this is going to be a long-lasting solution that is built for Cayman's climate. It's silicone sealed at all the joints so it does not leak air. It's tough and rigid and structural so that it's not going to collapse and bow out over time. It's got aluminum on both sides for fire resistance. It's got foam on the inside as a sandwich panel structure. So it's a cellular versus a fibrous structure, which means you're not going to have humidity finding its way inside, and it reduces the ability to condensate. However, that condensation happens when you have high humidity. If you don't air seal your attic and the moisture from outside is coming in, this is producing a 45-degree surface temperature coil trying to push 55-degree air through here. So you imagine in a 120-degree attic with 80% humidity, this will sweat. The spray foam will help prevent that. If this sweats, it's going to cause rust over time. That can also fill up your pan and shut off your unit, or it might spill over if you don't have a float switch, which we always put in, by the way. So we want to protect these units so they last long, give you the performance you need, and give you the life service that you expect. Thanks for sticking around for the video, guys. This is an in-progress video and we'll show you when we get further with the project. This is the perfect example of Appliance Pros, Cooling Pros, and Foam Pros coming together to make your project a reality. You can find out more info on thepros.ky or 746 Pros. That's 746-7767. Thank you.